His loom sings in the twilight, threads of past and sorrow's might. In Raveloe he weaves alone, Elliot's tale, a heart of stone. From stolen gold to hearts reborn, a child found on a winter's morn. By the fire's glow his eyes grow fond, of secrets kept and bonds beyond. A miser's clutch, life's love denied, slowly counts a mystery tide. Through half a ring comes joy anew, with each thread the past he grew. In Lantern Yard his faith betrayed, to Raveloe where shadows played. Yet through the loss a light appeared, a little girl to end his fears. Sing the song of Silas mourner, from despair a heart grows warmer. By his side she learned to weave a tale of love one could believe. From moonlit nights to sunny days, their bonds grew strong in gentle ways. Whispers of the town hush to awe, the miser's flame begins to thaw. Lantern Yard where trust was torn, innocence lost, a soul forlorn. Years drift by, his loom his friend, until he finds a love to mend. Eppie's eyes a glimmer bright, chasing shadows, bringing light. With village murmurs the story unfolds, of riches found beyond mere gold. Through Eppie's laughter bonds grew tight, shaping dreams through darkest night. In the meadowlands where secrets bloom, love's soft whisper breaks the gloom. In Raveloe, where whispers weave a tale of love we dare believe, with hands once cold and hearts so bleak, in Eppie's smile he found the peak of joy that life had long denied. In her laughter tears